Gigi.
Keep the dog under.
Gigi.
Hey!
Gina, come on. Come on.
You ain't getting him.
Gina. 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 Hey, okay, she is biting
She's
at him.
going after her wings.
All right. Come on.
Oh.
I'll let it. You did that, I will let her go. Oh my God. Fucking crazy ass bird.
Get her bowl.
He's in her. Okay. He's in her bowl.
Let her go.
Oh, God.
Dinner delivered.
Dog's like, let me at it.
He's sticking his head in the bowl. Dinner and a show.
I guess the bird figured you had all of her fucking collars. Free game.
Wow, the dog must be really confused. Gina.
You better not let her get your fucking nose.
Gina, what is that crazy bird doing? He's trying to dump over her bowl.
Little prick. What are you doing? Oh, you look like you're getting ready to lay an egg. You're gonna take a bath in a water dish?
She's like, get back in the bowl. Oh!
Oh. You ain't get my fucking wings, I'll get your nose. Gigi! Nice!
He's in my bowl! Gina, what is that crazy bird doing in your bowl?
That's hysterical.
They're taking 5.
Now, isn't this a Yahoo post that'll get us millions? Be nice. The bird's dumb. Be nice.
She's like, he touches my food, he dies. She's not touching him.
Oh, look at this shit. I got a hiding spot, bitch.
Oh, look at it! After her! What is this bird been taken? Oh! She backs up and then he goes after her! Gigi. He's crazy. You think he would go over to Adam and jump up his legs, but he's not. Whoa!
Got a piece.
Gigi. Easy, girl.
She's not touching him.
But yeah, the fact that he keeps going forward at him, at her. Look at that. You bracing the
Uh-oh. Easy, girl. She's not trying to get him. I don't think. She backs up and he jumps at her. So I don't think she's trying to hurt him. The bird, on the other hand, is trying to mess up my dog. Hey!
Uh-oh, higher ground. Look out. Did you get higher ground?
He's trying to get over to you.
Yep. He wore out.
He better not go in the bedroom with Ty. She might eat him then.
Gina, did you get a piece?
Her tail's wagging. Are you guys done?
Alright.
Yeah, they're done.
Was that fun? Was that fun for a little while? No, she's still tensed.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hey, be nice. Gigi want a treat? Not my bird.